Welcome back to another Tech for Gamers tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Subnautica game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Subnautica on your device, and when you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Options. Within the Options page, click on Graphics, and here you can change your graphic presets. If you need to change your resolution, then you will find this option within the General tab. Here underneath Display, you will find the Resolution section. Make sure to choose the proper resolution for your device, and if you notice any screen tears within your game, then you can click on the VSync to have it enabled. Click on Apply to save your changes, and now you can go into the Graphics tab. Now you can try using the preset option to choose from various different presets. This ranges from low, medium, and the high preset. First try using the high preset, which will use the highest available values for all of the advanced options. You can see how this effect will turn out within your game right within the background. Once you have applied your settings, you can go back to your game and see how these settings will play out. If you notice some issues, then you can come back to this page and try reducing the preset by one step. You can also try manually adjusting the various level of advanced details. By following this pattern, you will find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your gameplay. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Subnautica game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.